Look, I'm so bored. What should we do?
There's nothing good on TV. I mean, this black screen keeps repeating every day.
I know. I have an idea.
What?
Let's go to Uncle Pete's chicken farm.
Okay, let's go!
We're going to the chicken farm.
Going to the chicken farm. Where's the camera?
I don't know.
Oh,
Dude, this way, Luke, this way.
where are we and where did we get these lights? I mean, we've been walking for days and all of a sudden these lights just like, show up. I mean, like, what the heck is going on?
Dude, I don't
Is
know.
that the chicken field?
I don't know.
Is it?
Is this it?
I hope so, because I'm sick of walking. Think it's it?
This it?
I hope so.
Ah! Holy, Luke! Luke! Mom, if you're watching this, I love you. I just lost Luke. And just some guys firing us. Holy crap.
Where am I? All I remember is falling down. Booge, where are you? Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Hey, boy.
Hmm.
Boy.
Ah! Where am I?
Boy, what you doing on my farm?
I don't know. My friend took me back here, and then he's like, "Okay, bye." And I tripped, and I just, here.
Aight.
What kind of farm are we on anyway?
You're on a poultry farm, boy.
Chicken.
Yeah, chicken.
What's the name?
Uncle Peter's farm.
Uncle Pete's.
I'm Pete.
You're
Nice
Pete?
to meet you. Not
Pete?
Nice to meet you.
Pete?
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Billy Getting Luke.
Luke. Alright, Luke.
Can't believe you tied up my arms and legs like this.
Well, yeah, I gotta take the security serious around here, you know?
So your farm pretty advanced?
It's advanced, yeah. You could say
Can
that.
anything make it better?
We might need to change. We need a bigger barn. Bigger cornfields. Fix up chicken coops.
Yeah.
Build a slaughterhouse. You're gonna get that because, we got the store coming. Size is about 150 acre. 150 acre. 60 bits of cornfields so we can feed our chickens. Cornfields. We're located in Lancaster, PA.
I saw a little orange one. Little orange one?
On the map? What? What are you talking about?
Ah, my head still hurts. So what kind of farming methods do you use? Like irrigation or, plowing or,
We use tree hedgerows and
trees.
plant our corn. We plant our corn. We got the cornfields, right? They feed our chickens.
Chicken.
Corn. They eat the corn. And we use the tree hedgerows so our soil stays dense. Our farm is surrounded by trees.
So why did you shoot me? Couldn't you just ask me to, get off your farm?
What?
You just shot me
Boy,
in the
you
leg.
on my property.
But you shot me in my leg.
Boy.
So do any pests attack your farm or anything, like rabid bunnies?
Boy. Some pests are rats, tapeworms. You got the tapeworms and the chickens.
Rabid
There's some
bunnies?
birds. You got the snakes. They eat the eggs.
Snakes.
We increase our maximum security by getting cats, right?
Kitties.
Cats eat the mice. Give less reason for the snakes to come.
Oh.
Yeah, and we also use scarecrows to keep away the birds.
Scarecrows. They're very thoughtful people.
Scarecrows, yeah.
Is that one of your scarecrows over there?
Yeah, I'll bring in a scarecrow.
Bring in your scarecrow.
I don't know. I see him here. That's a scarecrow right here.
It's very scary and crowy.
Scary, yes.
So, what else affects your farm?
We got the wind and the rain, right?
Oh, the wind and the rain.
Yeah. You know, the trees protect both those. The wind don't blow over.
Yeah, the
Soil
trees
erosion.
trees are helpful sometimes.
Yes.
So, how do you, cut down excess costs? Everyone wants to know the secrets, you know?
You got to get the installation in your
Mm.
barn. You know, the heating costs are often.
I heard that somewhere the other day.
And we grow our own corn to feed our chickens. Cut down chicken feed.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So, did you know what happened to my friend?
A friend?
Yeah. I don't have that many, but you know.
I saw you on the ground. I took you. I'm about to chop you up for breakfast.
So, wait, why is my shirt on backwards?
Boy, you don't want to know.
You're a friend. So, who do you, sell your chickens to?
Well, we sell them to name brand companies such as
Chick-fil-A?
Chick-fil-A.
Yeah.
You know, your KFC, good Campbell's, isn't it? Chicken soup.
Yeah,
We
Campbell's
butcher,
chicken noodle soup.
we butcher it all up here at our farm.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So, like, how do you market? Like billboards, commercials,
You'll see
Johnny
Uncle
Depp.
Pete's Chicken Farm, and we have a logo and a slogan.
Mm,
You got
what's
the
slogan?
You got the cartoon chicken, right?
That big, huge guy.
Yeah. We got him saying, "It's so good, I'd even eat it." No, it's not gold or what?
That is cool.
That's gold.
You should put that on MySpace.
Put that in MySpace.
So, that's about all. Your farm seems pretty cool.
Yeah, boy, we get around.
Does like soil erosion or anything affect it?
Soil erosion?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got the soil erosion, but as I said, the trees.
Yeah,
you
the trees are amazing.
Tree-
these
they
days.
they do what we don't have to.
So you're gonna like untie me soon so I can have some chicken?
What'd you say, boy?
You gonna untie me?
No.
Why? All I wanna do is go pee. I need some chicken.
What?
Chicken! Where are you going? I'm afraid of the dark. Are you gonna hit me with that?
That's right, boy. No more questions.
Oompa loompa doompa-dee-doo, I've got a perfect puzzle for you. Oompa loompa doompa-dee-dee, if you are wise you'll listen to me.
What do you get when you guzzle down sweets?
Eating as much as an elephant eats.
What are you at, getting terribly fat?
What do you think will come of that? I don't like the look of it. Oompa loompa doompa-dee-da. If you're not greedy, you will go far. You will live in happiness too, like the Oompa loompa doompa-dee-doo.